In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the camera in Google Chrome. Whether you're trying to join a video call or simply need to grant permission to an app that uses your camera, it's important to know how to manage these settings efficiently. Don't worry if you aren't familiar with this process. I'll guide you through each step, making it easy to follow and understand. To begin, open your Google Chrome browser. It's essential that you have it updated to the latest version to ensure all features work smoothly. Once you have Chrome open, take a look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which is the menu button. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you need to navigate to the Settings option and select it. Once you're on the Settings page, the next step is to scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security section. This area is crucial because it controls who can access what on your device. Look for an option labeled Site Settings and click it. This section allows you to manage different permissions for various sites, including the camera. Inside the site settings, you'll want to find and click on the Camera option. This will show you the available cameras connected to your computer. If you have more than one camera, there will be a drop-down where you can select which one you'd like Chrome to use by default. It's important to check that the camera you wish to use is not disabled. If it's showing a block symbol, click on it to enable access. Following that, you'll see a section labeled Recent Activity, or sites that can always use your camera. This area lists all the sites that currently have permission to use your camera. If there's a specific site you want to grant access to, make sure it's listed here. If not, you can manually add it by using the Add button. This feature is especially useful if you frequent a particular site for video calls or other purposes. Remember that every time you visit a new site that requires camera access, Chrome will prompt you. You can choose to allow or block access to the camera temporarily or always, based on your preference. Just be cautious about the sites you grant permission to for privacy reasons. Lastly, it's always a good idea to periodically review your settings to ensure that no unwanted sites have access to your camera. Maintaining control over these permissions helps protect your privacy and ensures a secure browsing experience. If you need additional help, Google's support site offers more comprehensive guides and troubleshooting tips. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable the camera in Google Chrome. With these steps, you are all set to manage your camera settings with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.